Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you spend an hour trying to qualify your leads, this video is for you. I've created this workflow to automate the process. As you can see here, the workflow is triggered by the form submission. So I'm gonna show you the form and the result of the automation. I'm using Typeform for this step. The form collects the lead's name, email, website, or the LinkedIn profile URL, the current monthly recurring revenue, and also a brief description of their project. Once the form is submitted, the data is sent to Make. Here where the magic happens. So right now I'm just gonna take a random example to show you how this automation really works. I don't know, maybe CEO, BMW, this LinkedIn profile. Okay, this is really random. This is email example part on Gmail. Just gonna paste the LinkedIn profile. Okay, test. And before that, I'm just gonna here hit run, submit. Okay, and as you can see, the automation is now is working. Just gonna wait a little bit. So as you can see, I've got this email which contains the information from the form, also the personal information of my leads. Here's the company informations, the website of the company, and the services that they provide. Also, the most important things, here's the analysis summary of the lead. Also, as you can see here, it's given role as president and CEO of a highly to be a key decision maker within his company. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. So just follow with me. First, the user submits in their form. After that, the information is sent to a router. I've created this router to work on the two different possibilities. The first one, the user provides a LinkedIn profile URL. And the second one, the user provides a website URL. For that, I've created this filter. What this filter actually do? This filter takes the input of the URL that the user have provided and check using this text operator if it contains linkedin.com. If it contains linkedin.com, then obviously it's a LinkedIn profile. For the second filter, I've created this also filter that takes the URL and the text operator here does not contain. You gotta be careful here. It does not contain linkedin.com. Then the automation assistant that is a website. When I was working on this automation, I didn't find the LinkedIn module really helpful in Make. As you can see here, there's no action that could help me to scrape data from LinkedIn profile URL. So for that, I've used this tool from Database AI. As you can see here, I've created the steps. The first step is I'm gonna scrape the user profile from a LinkedIn URL that I provide. For example, this URL is the same actually. I'm gonna run this step so we can see. Okay, just take 1 moment. Okay, I've got this informations. After that, I've got the input here. Its name is LinkedIn profile. For the second step I've created is that I'll take the LinkedIn profile data company URL. I'm gonna run it right now. Here's my input, the output, sorry. Okay, after that, I've created this LLM step. I provided with this prompt. Will be provided LinkedIn data profile per a person and their company. Your task is to analyze both to summarize the following key points. Consistency. Personal information, name. I got this information, company name, company size, a 15 word of your summary of what the person does. You got this data from here. The prompt will get this data, and here's the company data. And I've got this output in the text. And I've created this HTTP make request to link this tool, this relevance AI tool, in my automation. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to put the URL. From here, you just click use, then API. Here's your endpoint. It's post request. You type here content type. The value is application JSON. And the second one is authorization, and the value is the API key. From here, you take your API key. And the body type is raw. The content type JSON, application JSON. Here, you take this body request. You just copy it right here, and you put your URL from the input of the form, and just click OK. After that, I just parse JSON and simply fill out the email with the informations. Here, the email from my form and the monthly recurrence revenue, also from the form, the project, and the output from the LLM answer. And that's it. And for the website also, I've created this HTTP request, make request step. And also I've used relevance AI. Just the input here, you just have to put a website, clear your website URL. For example, bmw.com. Okay. Okay. First step is Google search step. Here, I'm just gonna put the website URL from the input plus LinkedIn. I'm just gonna run the step so you can see. Okay, this is the result. After that, an LLM step. Here's the prompt. You are an expert research specializing in Google research and extracting the most likely company LinkedIn URL as given company website. Okay. If you found multiple potential LinkedIn URLs, provide only the most likely one. Return only the LinkedIn URL. No explanation, summaries, or other text. The return URL must contain /company. If not company LinkedIn URL is not found, return company LinkedIn is not available. This is the example. To search query. Here's the prompt. Okay. I'm just gonna run it so you can see. And here's the answer. Here is my answer. That's the LinkedIn profile of BMW. After that, I'm just gonna scrape. I'm just gonna scrape the data. And another LLM step. You will be provided LinkedIn data company. Your task is to analyze both and summarize the following key points: company name, company size, company websites. And here's my result, as you can see. After I got my result, I've got this data in parse JSON, and I'm gonna just fill out my Gmail with a name, a last name, email, project, monthly recurrent revenue, and the data from the LLM step. And that's it. That's it. If you have any question, please ask me in the comments, and see you in the next video.